ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Hi everyone. Today we will learn the science behind the temples. Many think going to temple is waste of time. Why should we go to temple? Something which is there inside is just a statue made of metal or stone. That is what many people think. But there is lot of science behind it. Before that, let us approach in a scientific way. Whenever we are talking about energy is neither created nor destroyed, but it changes its form. If we switch on the light, electric energy, the power which is there, which we call as electricity, that energy, when we switch on light, it is converted into light. When we switch on fan, the same electric energy is converted into air, right? So energy is neither created nor destroyed, but energy has positive and negative effects. Whenever we go to temple, we will get positive energies. How do we get positive energies? Let us know about it in detail. Temples are constructed in the places where there are positive energies. And the statue inside it, for some people it is simply a statue made of stone or metal, but for devotees call it as idol because they feel the presence of God inside. God is found in 5 forms. One of the forms is Achamurti, that is idol, right? And there is science behind it. There is cosmic energy inside the idols, right? So there is some science behind the idol, there is science behind the temple, and there is science behind the bells which we kick. Whenever we go to temple, what do? We move around the God. We move around the temple. There is science behind it. Right? And after reaching temple, we get some holy water. And there is science behind it. The holy water also has some medicative value. What medicative value it has? Let us know everything in detail.
Right from the beginning, we find science behind each aspect. Hindu philosophy talks about our temples, which are mirrors of our faith, shows us the undercurrent of science on every aspect. In fact, science is concretized form of philosophy. Now let us know the significance of each in detail. It is said energy is neither created nor destroyed but can be either positive or negative. Temples are constructed at the places where there are positive energies. How do we know where there are positive energies? In science, we learnt magnetic field is created between north and south poles. Similarly, where there is electric waves, there we have positive energies. In such places where there are electromagnetic fields, these temples are constructed.
Now let us know everything stepwise. As soon as we reach the temple, what's the first thing we do? Yes, we move around the idol. There is science behind it. Devotees, after reaching the temple, turn around the temple twice or thrice so that they receive positive energies from the Lord from all corners. The place where idol is consecrated is called sanctum. It has got its power. So there are positive energies inside the sanctum.
Idol of the Lord is consecrated in sanctum, which is called Garbhagudi. We learnt about centripetal and centrifugal forces. All positive energies are focused on this idol. Whole temple is constructed around the sanctum. After reaching into the sanctum, for some time the devotees get into trance for a while watching the idol of the Lord and experience inexplicable joy by receiving positive energies from the Lord. Thus, all sorts of negativity from their minds will be wiped out.
There is science behind the holy water which we take.
The water which the priests give bath, which we call Abhishekam to the Lord, consists of the products which have medicative values, in which we find the combination of tulasi, kumkum, camphor, cardamom, cloves. All these have medicative values, and with the touch of the idols, with the chanting of the holy mantras, their power increases enormously. Thus made holy water will be given to devotees. All devotees will be relieved from different sorts of ailments. The whole process is called magnetotherapy. If we take the elements used individually, tulsi has capacity to cure cold, cough, fever. Cloves prevent tooth decay, whereas cardamom and camphor can be taken as mouth refreshers. If we take the aspect of temple bells, in making temple bells, they don't use ordinary metals. They use such quality metals in appropriate ratios in the bell jar and pendulum inside it. Whenever devotees hit the bell, the sound produced for 7 seconds activate all 7 chakras of the bodies of the devotees. Blowing of the conch produces Omkar, which is considered as the first sound at the time of creation. This is what is known as Shankarava, makes the devotees perform all duties very efficiently. Thus, there is undercurrent of science in each aspect in the temple. After performing all rituals in the temple, devotees sit for a while on the steps and reach home with peaceful minds. That is why people prefer to go to temples to energize themselves to perform all their activities very efficiently. We can find the brightness on the faces of the devotees. We find harmony among all sorts of people, thus have universal significance.